What are you doing? Are you guys sitting in your chairs? You've been sitting there for about 10 minutes. Yes, you have. Here, you want to play with something? Here you go. Here you go. Here. Oh, oh. Hey, Judah. Judah, where did the ball go? Where did the ball go? Did you throw it when I went to get my... Here we go. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Judah. Judah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. SpaghettiOs. Judah. Colby. Judah. Colby. Colby loves this ball. Colby loves this ball. Judah, do you want Squiggy? Do you want Squiggy? Oh. That's it. I'm done. I'm done.